So we're here, and I'm making, this is a couple of days before I'm supposed to get my new Bilstein front shocks, which I should have done a long time ago, because I'm just lazy and didn't have the money, and I could have done all four, and looks like I need to change out my bump stops too. I really don't. Look at that. And then maybe some kryptonite upper control arms probably soon, because those are bushings, they're looking a little cracky. But right now we're gonna take my shocks off. So just a couple days before I get them, I am doing some PB Blaster. Shout out to PB Blaster, they sent me some cool stuff. Do that, and we're gonna penetrate this bolt. Never use enough. I'll put some up here too, just so we don't have any troubles. We'll do it on the other side too. But yeah, let's make sure to get these out. These, look how old they are. I'm pretty sure as soon as they take them out, they're not gonna even like recoil or whatever you want to call it, rebound. They're probably just gonna stay that way. So yeah, just wait. 1, 2, 3. So guys, finally got kryptonite to send out my Bilstein shocks. They're here. I'm super excited. Let's open them. Awesome. I got one more sticker. Here's my invoice, and here's the other shock. Make sure nothing else in there. There's a part number for the fronts, obviously. Let's make sure everything's in here, because sometimes what happens is for some reason the hardware is not in there. When I worked at Premiere, we get customers that call and they're like, oh, it didn't come with the hardware. So obviously we can't make it work if we don't have that. And then obviously these are made in Germany, so got a bunch of English and German instructions, but just telling you all the stuff. But it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's get them started. Let's get the other ones off. Now we're in the nitty-gritty. This bottom nut and bolt is 21 millimeter. So all you gotta do is get a socket, impact, or some sort of, maybe a crescent wrench, because that's what I think I originally did on my old LOY when I didn't have anything. And then this one seems like it's a 17 or a 16, either way. And you can grab it from the bottom too if you have some skinny wrenches. You can kind of get something in there to do it, but we're just gonna grab with some vice grips and ratchet wrenching those off, and then we'll get these off. And you can do it with the tire on. It's a little easier if you take the tire off, but I'm impatient and I don't want to take my whole tire off and whatnot, so I'm gonna take them off real quick. Easier with PB Blaster. That thing came out like nothing. It's pretty rusty too, so I'm pretty sure I helped a lot. Now here comes the pain of getting that one off. It takes forever. Okay, so we got them out, and they were pretty rough. I got PB Blaster worked, but let's see if I can get the focus on it. But kind of almost chipped off the end part with the vice grips. Other than that, it was just kind of rusty, and they're just old and definitely don't look as good as the Bilsteins, that's for sure. But yeah, they're pretty junked out, so it's time to put these in. So let's say I was kind of reading the instructions, and it says put this one on the bottom, and then the one with the little pipe cylinder thing in it goes on top. So where's the nut? Well, there's a nut. I think it's hopefully it's I don't know. No, it's 17 still too. Okay, so there's that, and then we'll put the bolt in and get her in. The hardest part's probably gonna be right now is trying to push this up into the thing. So wish me luck. Okay, so that really wasn't that bad at all. Helped me a lot just to get this screwdriver. So I push it up, and it's not too terrible. You have to, use some force. But get up here on top of here, and then get a flathead screwdriver and shove it in here, and just kind of push it up, and then after that push the bolt inside, and then it's not horrible, so just a little dirty, but that's it. Now at the top. Okay, not that bad. It's a lot easier if I just use my crescent wrench and and then a 17 millimeter. It'll go down till it'll stop, so you don't need to worry about anything else. But definitely looks a lot better. We'll do the other one, and then we'll go take a test drive, and I'll show you during the day. Makes it a little easier. Got some light, rock lights. Now I can see a little bit more. Nice. After driving with them for the last couple of hours, here and there, it's very plushy. like the front end, it like used to kind of bounce a little harder, but now it's like it's hard to explain, but it's definitely better for sure. Now it makes the rear seem rougher, which I'm pretty sure it's probably because I've had those for a while and got used to them, and also it's a diesel truck, so the back end it's not very, you know, driver friendly or whatever you want to call it, daily driving, whatnot. But it definitely is a definitely upgrade. Definitely would get them and recommend them, and get them soon because they're gonna go on back order again. So get them, and I'll put down a link below to get them. Shout out to Kryptonite and everything, they're awesome. So go buy stuff from them.